Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. In here, before we start our podcast, we would like to present our team. My name is Afik, and this is my team Dimas, and this is Angel, and this is Icha. And in here, we will talking about revolving conflict perspective from the different viewpoint. Okay, let's start. In this episode, we will explore various ways to resolve conflict effective and wisely. Conflict is an inevitability part in life, whether at work, at home, in social relationship. And in here we have Angel. Angel in here is Miss Lina talk about how conflict in communication and society can be resolved high. So dialogue and inclusivity. And this is Miss Icha. Miss Icha as Dr. Sarah confused on the psychological dynamic of conflict and the importance of the emotional management. And in here we have Dimas as Mr. Dwi. Mr. Dwi shares personal experience in resolving conflict in business. In here, we'll start with the first segment about what is conflict from each speaker perspective and what is the main cause. The first speaker is from Angel or Miss Lina. For the Miss Lina, time is yours.
Okay, conflict in communities often stem from inequality, cultural difference, or limited resource. For instance, conflict regarding monetary right or non-exclusive policies.
Okay. Thank you for the Miss Lina. And the second segment, and the second narasumber is from the Miss Dr. Sarah. As Icha, as Dr. Sarah, time is yours.
Okay. Conflict is a disagreement or tension that arises from difference in values, goals, and perceptions. Conflict is often triggered by communities' problems, unmet expectations, or personality clash, where emotional regulation can also exacerbate situations.
Okay, thank you for the second speaker. And the last speaker is from Mr. Dwi. For the Mr. Dwi or Dimas, time is yours.
In business, conflict often stems from misunderstanding between team members about vision, strategy, and rules. Poor decision or unclear division of tasks can create tension with teams.
Okay, that is from us from the first segment. Okay, now we will start with the second segment. The second segment is we'll talk about what are the most effective method of resolving conflict according to each speaker. The first speaker is from the Miss Lina. What is the answer for this question, Miss Lina?
Okay. Conflict resolution in communities requires an inclusive approach that involves all parties, open dialogue, listening to all voices, and creating a safe space for discussion are very important. Collaboration between different groups in solving problems together can lead to more fair and sustainable solutions.
Thank you for the first speaker, Miss Lina, and we start with the second speaker with the Dr. Sarah. Time is yours.
Okay. An approach based on emotional understanding and empathy is very effective in resolving conflicts. In personal or family conflict, it is essential to give each individual space to express their feelings without feeling attacked.
Thank you. And the last speaker is from the Mr. Dwi. Time is yours.
I think in business, is collaborative is solution the best approach. When the conflict occurs, it is important to improve the parties to finding win-win solution. Open and transparent communication regarding rules, expectation, and decision making can help reduce conflict. In some cases, team training on conflict management can really very helpful.
Thank you. And that is the second segment, and we will start the third segment after this break. Thank you. Okay, now we will start with the last segment before closing. Is the third segment? It's about can each speaker share the real life story about a conflict they experience and how they resolve it. For the first speaker is from the Miss Lin. Time is yours.
Okay, a story about community conflict related to infrastructure development, which was resolved through open dialogue among residents and local government.
And the second speaker is from the Dr. Sarah or Icha. Time is yours.
A story about a family conflict that was resolved through family therapy and the use of empathy communication technique.
And the last speaker is from the Mr. Dwi. Time is yours.
An experience resolving a startup team conflict over strategy, decision, solving through face-to-face meetings and an open discuss.
Okay, thank you for all the participants in this evening. And from the summary is, each speaker provide a brief summary from the key points discussed and remind listeners from the importance of the resolving conflict by constructively. And the final message is, remember, conflict is part of life and how we handle it determine the quality of our relationship. Approaching conflict with empathy, their communication, and collaborative solution and make a big difference. And that's it our podcast in this evening. May you can enjoy and listen and learn what is we talking about. Thank you for all this watching this podcast. Thank you. The last we say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.